Hello and welcome to the Concur video tutorial series. This video is going to cover how to use reports and manipulate them and filter them. If you are looking for a video on how to run reports and access reporting, that is covered in a separate video. So once you have run your report, you'll get this. Your screen will look like this. This is the travel expense by project report. There's a few things you can do. So first, you can export your report. If you wanted to export it to PDF or Excel, or just wanted to pull out the Excel data, you can do that. When you click on one of these, the report will be downloaded into an Excel format automatically, and then you can pick it up from your downloads folder here. If you wanted to work inside of the report, inside of the reporting tool, you can do that as well. And there's some options right here on the toolbar. And what you'll need to do is select one of these header fields, similar to how you work in Excel. And then you can manipulate the data in a variety of different ways. You can add a filter. So you can include null or exclude null, which will, if there's a blank field in there, that'll include it or exclude it. Or you can create a custom filter here. And creating a custom filter lets you, say, only run the report for one person. And adding that filter brings that person up. You can then remove all your filters and it will return your report back to the way it was. So I'll go through that one more time. I went through that a little fast. I apologize. So you can select one of the available items or search, and then you simply hit OK. And that will filter your report. And then you can clear it. You can also sort, very similar to in Excel. You can sort by ascending, and that'll put it in, that'll put it in lowest to highest, or descending reports. So that's highest to lowest, You can see that the name's changed here. You can say don't sort if you don't want to sort. You also have some abilities to summarize. So you can hit a count number here, and that'll count the rows that are on the report. You can count distinct, which will count the distinct line items on the report here. So there's 13 rows that only cover 6 people, 6 individual people on this employee header. Remember, you can do that on any of these. So if you wanted to do that on a different header, you can do that. You can do minimums and maximums and then calculated. There's some other fields in here that you can use. This opens up a different window, and you can get some details about where this came from, the path that the field came from, etc. This is kind of technical. I'm not sure that end users will be using it, but I did want to show it. You can suppress rows or not suppress rows. So if you don't want to look at this top row, you can hit suppress rows and it'll pull it out. And then you have your suppression options in here. And you can also group and ungroup these together. So if you wanted to group it, it will drop the repeating fields. So this group is all employees. So you can see that they're all grouped by employee and employee name. You can ungroup very easily, and then it will group that whole field together. You can see how it's changing as you do this. If you wanted to refresh your data, and this is data live from the Concur system, so as things are changing inside of Concur, as things get approved or entered, they will refresh on the reports as you refresh them. So you can hit this little refresh button here. If you need to navigate home, you simply click this home button, and that will take you back to your reporting splash page or your reporting as you log in. Or you can go back into your folders. This is the end user report folder, and select a different report to use. I hope that answers your reporting questions. Again, if you want, if the reports that we have out there aren't fitting your specific reporting needs, let us know. We can have a custom report built for you. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching, and enjoy Concur.